Hi there, this is Tom from eDirectory. Thank you for tuning in to our video tutorial series. In this video, we're going to go over how to set up your email sending configuration so you can send email notifications to your site sponsors and users. This is the email account that needs to be set up so that you can send automatic emails from your directory. Whether someone is past due for a payment, they have an upcoming expiration date coming, there are any other updates coming from your directory site. So let's get started and see how we can set this up. We're going to start by logging into the site manager of our directory site here. As you can see, this is an empty directory. We don't have any listings or any sponsors or anything set up yet. This is what the site manager will look like, as well as this, bringing you a welcome message when you first log in. But if you've gotten rid of this welcome dashboard, you're just going to have an empty activity timeline here. So let's get started on how we can set up our email sending configuration. So like most settings and configuration, it's going to be in the configuration tab here on the bottom left hand side. You click on that, and then we're going to head over to the email sending configuration section here. Here we're going to have to enter our SMTP server information for the existing email account that you want to use and link to your directory site here. I'm going to set one up here. I'm going to use an email address I have here at Arca Solutions. It's just tom.kish@arcasolutions.com. For those who don't know, Arca Solutions is the company that created eDirectory and brought you this wonderful software. So I'm going to use an Outlook email account that I have there. I have the same username as email account, so just copy and paste that over there. The port is 465, that's pretty standard. Going to keep that there. We're using an SSL secure authentication as well, so I'm going to leave that checked off. Then I'm going to enter my password for this email account. Then I'm going to need to test the SMTP server connection here before I can move forward. So it connected successfully, so there's a proper link, so I can go forward, save this configuration here, and my settings have been changed. And now I can send emails from this eDirectory site using this email address. Now this is just one way you can set up and configure an email sending address. This is with an existing email account. Now there's another way to do it by emails that are hosted through eDirectory. So if I pull up your eDirectory welcome email when you first signed up, what's welcoming me here has my login and site information, and down in section 3 is the email setup page. Now we just went over how to set up the email sending configuration when we have an existing account, which is what this bottom section is referring to here. But if you maybe purchased a new domain and want to set up some email accounts for that, maybe I have tomsdirectory.com and I want to get some emails for that account, I can use one of the 10 hosted email accounts that come free with my eDirectory purchase. And all I have to do is send an email to support@edirectory.com, include my order number and hosted email setup in the subject line, and then I just specify the email addresses that I'd like to have created. So maybe I want a contact@tomsdirectory.com or an admin@tomsdirectory.com. I can choose up to 10, have those created, and have those linked in there so the emails that are automatically sent out from my eDirectory would have my specific domain there, and they're free and they're hosted by eDirectory. It's a really great solution. Just want to make sure you're aware of that as well. So that's all you guys need to know. Thank you for tuning in and learning how to properly configure your email sending settings with your eDirectory account. As always, you can stop by edirectory.com or check out support at support.edirectory.com. Give us a call, send us an email, let us know if you have any trouble or need any additional help, and good luck with your eDirectory project. Thanks.